A basement Watchdog combination sump pump system includes a primary pump plus a backup pump to create a combo system that works together to keep your basement dry. Comes pre-assembled with check valves installed, weep holes drilled, and PVC measured, cut, and glued for fast, hassle-free installation. Has a compact footprint and can fit in short or narrow pits. Provides 24/7 monitoring of pump, power, and battery conditions to ensure your system is working properly. Has audible and visual alarms when there's an issue or maintenance is needed. Has technology to alert you anywhere via email, text, or in-app notification. If your power goes out, the battery backup pump automatically takes over to keep your basement dry. 2 sets of micro-read dual float switches, 1 on each pump, make sure your basement is fully protected. Simply stated, if 2 is good, 4 is better. Can run both primary and backup pumps at the same time, providing more capacity when you need it most. Includes an automatic charger that keeps the battery fully charged and always ready to go. Is compatible with our long-running, maintenance-free and wet cell batteries. The Basement Watchdog, watching out for you. Visit us at basementwatchdog.com to learn more.